Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2009 GS500. This bike only has 14,200 miles and is offered for $19.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This one has some nice features on it. Starting in the back, comes with a custom rear bag hold down bungee cord. Also has a nice carbon fiber exhaust on it. Customer also added some nice frame sliders, which is kind of interesting because he decided to take the fairings off and turn it into a cafe racer kind of street fighter bike, but it still has the frame sliders on there to protect the cases. Also added some nice turn signals, some stock turn signals up front. The bike's been gone through by our service department, been given a clean bill of health, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. Again, it's the GS500 turned into the Cafe Racer Street Fighter. Also comes with a nice cell phone mount here, which is cool. You can put your phone in there for your GPS. Again, $19.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on the bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one. Maybe not just like this one, but most of them are quality pre-owned.